Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, guess what? Today is voting day in the state of Texas and the United States, and we are voting for lots of seats in the House and Senate and for governorships and all kinds of things. We even have a school tax increase vote on our ballot. I hope you went out and voted today. And or if this is the next day, I hope you voted yesterday. But anyways, I want to welcome you all to my channel. It's great to have you here. If you're new here, I ask you to subscribe, hit that little black button now, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know all my videos when they are coming out. We have lots of things we do here. Collaborations. I've got some advent calendar series going out. Got beauty. All kinds of unboxings, including travel boxes, beauty boxes, lifestyle boxes, fashion boxes. We just have all kinds. But today our box is EYESCREAM Beauty. That's right, I scream for beauty. And I love the subscription, guys. This is a wonderful subscription if you like beauty products. And if you do, let me tell you a little about it. You receive between 5 and 6 beauty skincare items every month. There's always a palette in every box every month. All full-size items, no deluxe samples or deluxe size items. The perfect box for makeup lovers. Free shipping to the USA and international shipping is available. And when you do order, their boxes go out within 7 days of your first order, so you get this box really quickly. And shipping times vary depending on locations, but typically take 2 to 5 business days. So they do really great, and I get it within days, and then as soon as it hits my mailbox, as soon, like today, it notifies me that my package has arrived. So very good service. Let's pop in here and see what my 5 to 7 items are. If you don't want to purchase the full box, they do have a bag, and the bag is $12.50, and you get 3 to 5 items. If you're on a budget or you don't need that many beauty products, you might want to try that out. So inside here we have our product card. It's November. We got our little peanuts in there, and guys, these things like melt when they're in water, so they're very environmentally friendly. And this November, it's thank you. So this is our little card, and it says thank you, and those are the items that we're going to have. The first thing that we have, it says, is a Lash Step Mad About You palette. Well, that must be down on the bottom. So I'm not going to do the palette first. I'm going to reach in and get something else out of here. I think what I'm going to reach in here for, well, let's just see. Guys, they have some nice things in this box. Oh my goodness. Okay, this item is called the Joyce Bonnell Cosmetics. It's a flawless setting spray with an SPF, and it is a $25 value. Look at this. Look at that. It's like come through flawless with a makeup set setting spray. Cool. Look at that packaging. We got to get it out of here. We got some nice things in this box. Okay. This is the packaging. Look how shiny that is. Y'all are seeing the reflection of me and everything else in there. This is really cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try it out. Oh, it's a nice little mist. Guys, this is really cool. I love this packaging. That is just excellent. And I see myself in it. It's so shiny. Now I've got fingerprints on it. But I'm going to put it back in its little box. And that was our first item, and that was a $25 value. My box was $25. So, and sometimes they have coupons. You might follow them on Instagram. You might find a promo. I do have a coupon that will be linked in my box. You might find another type coupon somewhere else, and if you do, that's fine. But I will have that information down in the description. Now, our next item is a Cheeky Rose Beauty Blush Brush. This is a $36 value, and you'll see what I mean. Look at this brush. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. You know, last month we got the makeup brush, and now we've got like this big old blush brush. And this is so pretty. It's in rose gold, and oh, that's so soft. I'm telling you, she picks out some of the best tools. This is a Cheeky Rose Beauty. It's just beautiful, and guys, it's just so soft. The brushes are so dense on there, which makes it extra soft. and it's just so beautiful. I can't wait to try that out. Oh, I just love this subscription so far. This is my third box. Our next item is a Bobe Beauty Beach Blush, and that is right here. Ooh, everything's so shiny it's reflecting back on me. It's a beach blush. One thing I like about this too, you get beauty and tools. You don't get skincare, and I'm happy about that because I get glossy box and I get plenty of skincare in that one, and then a couple of other things that I get. But look at the beauty of this. Oh my goodness, it's just so reflective. It's like a mirror. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, isn't that a pretty blush? Oh my goodness, that's a beached blush, it says. That's going to look good. I think that'll be a good color for me. Wow, I really like that. Bobe Beauty. So I've never heard of that, but it sounds interesting. I'm looking forward to it. And this, guys, was a $25 value. So we're really getting up there on the value. The next item that I'm seeing here is Illuminated Cosmetic, and this is a Liquid Luxe lip gloss. And guys, look at this. Isn't that beautiful packaging? And look at that color. Everything's just so shiny. Illuminati. I think that's what it is. Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. And this has a value of $21. And isn't that beautiful packaging? I don't know if I'm going to open that or not. Maybe too late. I've already twisted it. But let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. I love that color. It's kind of like a pink. And it's very pretty. And I don't know if it says, it just says Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. So I don't really know the color. And I don't know that there's a place on there that it says what color it is. Just Liquid Luxe. So it's just going to be a nice little lip gloss. Very pretty. Love that. That was a $21 value. And then our next and last item is the Lash Step Matte All About You palette. This is a $45 value. And let's get this out of here. Isn't this nice packaging? It's got the white with the flashy silver on the back. So everything's kind of really flashy in this one. The November is the thank you. It says, wishing you a very happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for your support. Oh my goodness, look at these fall colors. This is gorgeous. I'm going to use some of my friend mail here that we're going to go through to hide the mirror. Okay guys, look at those colors. Isn't that pretty? We've got a black down there in the corner with a deep like burgundy color. It might look gray on there. And we've got all those neutral tones. We got the whites. This is a beautiful nude natural palette. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love that. I love the packaging. So, oh my goodness, and it's called Lash Step. So what do you think? I love this. I don't know what my favorite thing is because I like every single bit of it, and that's what happened last time. Oh my goodness, what am I going to pick? I'm going to pick this beautiful palette as my favorite. Oh my gosh. And the brush. Oh my goodness, and it's and I like this packaging on the lip gloss. I love the color of the beachfront blush. And then I love this. I love the spritzy. I love it all. Okay, so what's my favorite? That's just terrible. I just told you. I'm going to go with the palette and this brush. But I love it all. Okay, let's make that very clear. So if you're interested in this, hop on over to EYESCREAM and you can get this subscription for $25 a month. And in this one today, we had 5 very nice products. As a recap, we had the Lash Step palette, very beautiful palette there. We had this gorgeous lip gloss. We had this beautiful Beachy Babe Bleach Blush. We had this beautiful brush, and we had this fantastic packaging of this Flawless Setting Spray. So this box is just packed. I loved it, I loved it, I loved it. So let me know what your favorite is on there. And while we're here today, I have some friend mail I want to share with you. And I got a couple of them. This here is from Melissa Duggar. And this was for Halloween apparently. And I got it last week. And I guess I didn't check my mailbox soon enough and missed it or whatever. when I went to check my box. But thank you, Melissa. And she's got such cute stickers on there. You can see it's the Charlie Brown theme. We got Lucy and Snoopy and Charlie Brown. And I'm going to open this up. And I love the stickers on there. Melissa is a subscriber if you don't know her, and she's just really sweet. She's a great supporter of many of us. So this is a Halloween card, and it says, "It's Halloween." Look at all that candy on there. I love candy corn. Oh my goodness. And she's got some little goodies in here. It looks like we've got some stickers. Look at that. Happy hunting. And then we've got candy corn with an eyeball and some lips and a felt ghost. These are all like felt. And then we have these little stickers. And she says, "Make every bite count. I hope you and your family have a fun-filled Halloween. Love ya, Melissa Duggar." Well, Melissa, thank you very much. And we did. We had a wonderful Halloween. I hope you had a wonderful Halloween too. And that's just a cute little card. I love that. And it's like, you know, you can buy those lollipops or Tootsie Roll Pops and make like little ghost things like that yourself if you're inclined to do a little something crafty. So that is really sweet. Thank you so much. And I love all my stickers. I'm going to put them in a special place for next year. So thank you, Melissa. You're wonderful. I really appreciate you. Now the next friend mail I have is from Sherry, and this is Beauty Is You is her channel, and she has her little butterfly on here, and on the back she goes, "Made it to Texas," and she's from another state, so she's let me know we got here, and she's got her little hauntings on here. Let's see what we have. It says, "Just for you." Isn't that beautiful? It's a hummingbird, and a hummingbird with some beautiful flowers. Are those oleanders? I'm not sure if that's oleanders or not, but it might be. Is it, Sherry? Y'all have oleanders down there in Florida, don't you? Okay, guys, looky here. She sent a Super Beauty tea mask, and this is lemon honey, and it is blended with Jarrett tea. Honey Jarrett. Wow, that sounds really nice. Thank you, Sherry. I look forward to using that. I bet that's really good for your complexion. Let's see what she has to say. "Hey, ya Miss Jackie Russell." She's got a little heart on there. "Thought I'd send you this little hello to let you know that I think of you often and pray that God will bless you with his love and care." Oh, thank you. And then she hand wrote me, "Thank you so very, very much for your card and thinking of me. God bless and keep you. Loads of love, Sherry. Beauty Is You." And then she says, "Thank you for being my friend." Oh, you're so welcome. And then she's got a verse on here, or it has a verse. "Behold, God is mine helper." And that's Psalms 54:4. So look at the cute little sticker she has on there. And look, she's got the puppy dogs on there. I do have Yorkies. I don't have the little Pomeranians, but I do have like Chipus and Malchis, and a lot of times they look similar to that. But aren't they just precious? I do have a Yorkie that pretty much looks like that picture. Her name's Tootsie. She's really a beautiful little Yorkie. So, and then on the back it's got "Gracefully Yours," and then it's got a little story back here talking about the artist of this card. So Sherry, this is a beautiful card. Thank you so much. And I love the mask. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And guys, Sherry has a channel. If you don't know Sherry, go on over to Beauty Is You and check out Sherry. She has a great channel. She's very loving. She is a wonderful lady. She does Mask Mondays. She shares other, like, I want to say shout outs and things like that. She does some beauty unboxings. And she's just down to earth. I just love her. And you will too if you'll just go visit her. And if you like her content, well, I encourage you to subscribe to her. And she has another channel, and I can't remember the name of it, but I'll put it down in the link so you can maybe go see both her channels. And like I said, she's wonderful. You'll really want to get to know her. And I have been friends with Sherry for over a year now, and I just love her to death. She is just wonderful. And thank you again, Sherry. And thank you, Melissa, for sending me the card. And for Halloween and for thinking of you. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all my YouTube friends. And, you know, we just have friends across the board. between the channels and between the subscribers, we're all just like one big happy family. Again, if you haven't voted, be sure and go out and vote today. Of course, by the time I put this out, the voting will be over. So maybe you can just put in the comments, I voted. As for EYESCREAM Beauty, that's all I have. And for my friend mail, I thank you both again for sending me that lovely mail. I love you both. Oh, and be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways and or my advent calendar series or any collaborations that are currently going on. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.